Hi everyone, it's Dietitian Danielle from Shoprite of Lincoln Park, coming to you from my kitchen to show you a healthy snack you can make from home. Today we're going to be making a fish made with oranges and blueberries, strawberries, and some yogurt. So let's go ahead and get started. The ingredients you're going to need are some type of yogurt, preferably vanilla, something that's white that you can kind of food color to make the blue ocean in the background. And you'll need an orange. We also need a few blueberries, baby carrot, some strawberries, and blue food coloring if you have it. If not, that's okay, you can use just the white yogurt. And you also are going to need a cheese stick of some sort, or you can also use yogurt instead of the cheese stick for this as well. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take a bowl, and then you're going to take your yogurt and you're going to scoop out just a few scoops of yogurt into the bowl. So I'm going to do 2 big scoops. Again, this can be any type of yogurt that you wanted to use for this. And you're going to take the blue food coloring, and you're just going to be careful with this. You don't want to do too much, but just do a little splash so that it's 1 dot. And then you're just going to go ahead and spin it around, go ahead and mix, and you will see the yogurt turning a nice blue color. All right, once you have that blue yogurt all set to go, we're gonna take our spoon and we're going to take a plate and we're just going to go ahead and put it on the plate. So just scoop all the yogurt out onto the plate as best as you can. Try to get as most of it out of the bowl as you can. And then you're going to take the back of your spoon and just simply spread it all around the plate, just like this. So just with the back of your spoon, you're just gently getting all the corners of the plate. And there you go, it should look just like this. The next thing you're going to do is take your orange and we're going to cut the orange into slices. So the end result should look like this, so that you have all little round circles of the oranges, okay? And then you're going to take one of those oranges and you're going to simply just place it in the middle of your plate. So right in the middle, just like that. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take 3 blueberries. So 1, 2, 3, and you're going to make these little bubbles for the fish. So you're just gonna gently put them all on top, like they're bubbles coming out of the fish. So just like that on the top, if you can see. The next thing that you're going to need is your baby carrot. So you're going to take the carrot and cut it into tiny little pieces, okay? You only need 2 tiny pieces for this one. So I already sliced off 2 tiny pieces. For the fin, we're gonna put it right on the back of the orange. So just like that. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to make the mouth of the fish. So we're going to take a strawberry and we're going to cut it into tiny little pieces, so smaller than this. So I have these 2 pieces cut here. So I'm going to use these tiny pieces and we're gonna stick it right on the front of the orange for the mouth. Okay? Just like this. The next thing that you're going to need is a cheese stick or cheese or anything that you want to use for this. You can even use yogurt instead. So I just cut tiny little pieces of the cheese stick. So this is like half of a little circle of the cheese stick. And I'm gonna put it right here for the eyes. So right up top. And then if you have like a mini chocolate chip or anything of that sort, I'm gonna just stick it right in there just so the eye stands out a little bit more. So right on top. And you have your fish. So these are the end results of what they're going to look like. If yours looks a little different, that's okay too. I want you to have fun with this. So I hope you enjoyed this snack today. I hope you are all staying safe and healthy, and please let me know if you make this snack and send us a picture. Thanks so much.